In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if the camera is not detected by the OBS. There's a simple trick. Close the OBS right now. Then go to the start menu, right click on it, then click on device manager. And device manager, you will need to find out camera. Then click on your desired camera. Here I am using the HP television. Right click on it. Click on update driver, then click on browse my computer for drives, then click on let me fix from a list of available drivers, then click here will be a driver, click on this, then click on next. It will update the driver with the existing, then close the device manager, reopen the OBS Studio, and your problem will be fixed. So I am using this settings, the camera setting for night time. So right now it is using too much light, so I am not just visible right now, but this is the fix and you can fix it on the OBS camera. So this was a quick video how you can fix if OBS not detecting the camera. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.